India has become the world's largest producer of rice, surpassing China. This was stated by Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chouhan in New Delhi yesterday. He said India's rice production has reached 150.18 million tons compared to China's 145.28 million tons. Mr. Chouhan said India is now supplying rice in overseas markets. The minister unveiled 184 improved varieties of 25 field crops developed by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research at an event held in the national capital. The 184 released varieties includes 122 cereals, 6 pulses, 13 oilseeds, 11 fodder crops, 6 sugarcane, 24 cotton and 1 each of jute and tobacco. Addressing the event, Mr. Chouhan said the country has achieved great success in the development of high-yielding seeds. The Agriculture Minister also directed officials to ensure that these new varieties reaches farmer quickly. The minister asked farm scientists to focus on increasing the production of pulses and oilseed to make India self-sufficient. Mr. Chouhan said that the country has entered a new era of agricultural revolution on the strength of the development of high-yielding and climate-resilient seeds. The Union Minister said this achievement is the result of collective effort of ICAR's All India Coordinated Project on Crops, state and central agricultural universities and private seed companies. Bureau Report, News Now.